Hello and welcome to the most awaited FTR 3.0, especially for English medium students by competition community. My name is Pukhraj Giri, and in this FTR session, I'll be dealing with Chhattisgarh General Studies. And this video of the FTR is all about medieval history of Chhattisgarh, in which I have covered the Kakati dynasty, the Fani Nag dynasty, the Chindak Nag dynasty, and the Som dynasty of Kanker. But before starting, there is an important announcement for you people that we at Competition Community, we are organizing weekly tests on every Sunday at 11 a.m. So what you people have to do, you people have to actually enroll yourselves by Friday evening so that you people are able to write the test that will be held on the Sunday. So after this announcement, let's start with the questions. Here we go. We have our first question. So the first question is, who was the first Kakti king under the Britishers? Now let me tell you, if we talk about this Kakti dynasty, the reign started in the year 1324 and it continued till 1947, that is the independence. But there were two important events. First, 1778 and second, 1854. In 1778, there was a treaty which was signed, which was known as Treaty of Kotpad. And in 1854 came Doctrine of Lapse. So from 1324 to 1778, they ruled independently. So talking about Treaty of Kotpad, it was a tripartite treaty. That means it involved three parties. Now one was Daryadev, who was of this Kakti dynasty. Second was Vikramdev of Jaipur. Jaipur as in from Odisha. And the third were the Marathas. So, according to this Treaty of Kotpad, Daryadev of the Kakti dynasty agreed that Bastar would become a Karad state under the Marathas. By Karad, I mean Kar Ada Karne Wala. That means somewhere down the line, they would actually rule under the subjection of Marathas. So from 1778, that means after the Treaty of Kotpad, they became the Karad Raj or the Karad estate under the Marathas. And in the year 1854 came the Doctrine of Lapse. And under this Doctrine of Lapse, the Nagpur Empire of the Bhosles was actually annexed by the Britishers, and hence between this period of 1854 to 1947, the Kaktiyas would rule Bastar but under the subjection of Britishers. That means there were three phases in the Kakti rule. One was independently, second as Karad estate, and third under the Britishers. So in the first question it is asked, who was the first Kakti king under the Britishers? So let me tell you, there was this Kakti ruler by the name Bhairam Dev, who actually ruled from 1854 to 1891. And in doing so, he became the first Kakti ruler to rule under the Britishers. Now looking at the options that we have. In the option number A, it says Daryadev, B says Bhairav Dev, C says Bhupal Dev, and D says none of these. So we can analyze that we don't have Bhairam Dev in the options, and hence option number D, which says none of these, is going to be the correct option for this question number 1. Now we have our second question. Consider the following statements related to the Kakti dynasty of Bastar. It will be statements. First ruler under the Marathas was Daryadev. Now, since this Daryadev actually signed the Treaty of Kotpad, and from his time only, this Bastar actually became the Karad estate under the Marathas. So we can say first ruler under the Marathas was Daryadev only. Now I've already told you that first ruler under the direct British rule in Bastar was Bhairam Dev. And third statement says last Kakti ruler before India's independence. So let me tell you, the last Kakti ruler before India's independence was Praveer Chandra Bhanj Dev, whose reign was from 1936 to 1947 in kingship. In kingship, I say. So who was the last Kakti ruler? He was Praveer Chand Bhansdev and not Praful Chand Bhansdev. And hence this is going to be incorrect. Now we have to tell which of these statements are actually correct ones. So we have seen 1 and 2 are correct. So what is going to be the correct option? The correct option is going to be B, which says statement 1 and 2 are correct. So this was all about question number 2. Now we have a third question. Choose the false statements related to the Kakti dynasty. First statement says Purushottam Dev established Bastar as his capital. When we talk about Kakti dynasty, we find many capitals, but 3 of them are very important. First is Mandhota. Second one is Bastar. And third is Jagdalpur. So the capital was shifted from Mandhota to Bastar by Purushottam Dev. And further it was shifted from Bastar to Jagdalpur by Dalpat Dev. So the first statement says Purushottam Dev established Bastar as his capital. This is going to be correct. Second says Daryadev is called as the Masiha of revolution in Bastar. So let me tell you, it is Ajmer Singh, who is called as Masiha of revolution in Bastar because of his leadership in the Halba revolt. So this statement is going to be incorrect. Third statement says the Treaty of Kotpad took place during the reign of Ajmer Singh. We have already seen that the Treaty of Kotpad took place during the reign of Daryadev. Whose reign? Darya. And hence this statement 3 is also going to be incorrect. Revolt related to environmental conservation took place during the reign of Bhairam Dev. So we have already seen his reign, which actually lasted from 1854 to 1891, and it was during his reign in the year 1859 that Koi revolt broke out. This Koi revolt actually broke out against the forceful cutting of sal trees, and this revolt was led by Nagul Dorla. So this statement is going to be correct, that the revolt related to environmental conservation, that means against the forceful cutting of sal trees, it took place in the reign of Bhairam Dev. So statement number 1 and 4 are correct, while 2 and 3 are incorrect. We have to tell which of the statements are actually false. So statement number 2 and statement number 3 are false. So we have to choose an option which says 2 and 3. So in the option number C, we have this 2 and 3, and hence option number C is going to be the correct option for this question number 3. So now we have our fourth question. Jugraj Kuvar was the wife of which ruler? So let me tell you, we know a Kakti ruler by the name Bhairam Dev, who ruled from 1854 to 1891. And Jugraj Kuvar was actually the elder Rani or the Badi Rani of the ruler Bhairam Dev. and Jugraj Kuvar also happened to revolt against him, and hence she is known as the first lady rebel of Chhattisgarh. And this entire episode is known as Queen Choruses Revolt. So, in the options, do we have Bhairamdev? Yes, we have Bhairamdev in the option number A, and hence option number A is going to be the correct option for this question number 4. Now we have our question number 5. In whose reign the Marathas invaded Bastar under the leadership of Ramchandra Bagh? So in the first question, we saw that Daryadev signed the Treaty of Kotpad. And under this Treaty of Kotpad, the Bastar became Karad estate of Marathas. However, the next Kakti ruler, who was Mahipal Dev, he stopped paying Takoli or the yearly tax to the Marathas. And hence Marathas attacked Bastar under the leadership of Ramchandra Bagh during the reign of Mahipal Dev. And hence option number A, Mahipal Dev, is going to be the correct option for this question number 5. Next we have question number 6, which says, which of the following rulers had taken the title Chakrakutadhishwar? So let me tell you, there is a record which is known as Kuruspal record, and this is actually of King Someshwar Dev of Chindak Nag dynasty. And in this Kuruspal record, King Someshwar Dev is actually referred to as Chakrakutadhishwar. That means this title was actually taken by Someshwar Dev I. And hence option B is going to be the correct option for this question number 6. Now we have our 7th question. Which of these statements are true? First statement, Bopdev was the founder of Som dynasty of Kanker. So let me tell you about the Som dynasty. Som dynasty had multiple branches. One was Som dynasty of Makal. The second one was Som dynasty of Kosal, which is also referred to as Pandu dynasty. The next one was Som dynasty of Utkal or Odisha, and the final one was Som dynasty of Kanker. So this statement is related to Som dynasty of Kanker, and let me tell you, the founder of this Som dynasty of Kanker is considered to be Siharaj. Who is considered to be the founder of this Som dynasty of Kanker? Siharaj is considered to be the founder of this Som dynasty of Kanker. Hence, the statement number 1 is incorrect. Second, Mahadev temple of Pali was renovated by Jajaldev II. In the first lecture related to this medieval history of Chhattisgarh, we came to know that this Mahadev temple of Pali was actually built by King Vikramaditya of Band dynasty, and it was actually renovated by Jajaldev I and not Jajaldev II. Hence, this statement is also incorrect. In the third statement, we have rock edicts found from the Madhva Mahal mention about the family tree of the Faninag dynasty. So let me tell you, of this Faninag dynasty, there was a king known as Ramchandra Dev. And this Ramchandra Dev actually got Madhva Mahal built on the occasion of his marriage to the Kalchuri princess Ambika Devi. And let me tell you, there is a rock edict actually found from this Madhva Mahal which does tell about or mentions the entire 24 rulers of this Faninag dynasty, and hence this statement is correct. So we have only statement 3 is correct, and the option which says only 3 is the option number C, and hence option number C is going to be the correct option for our question number 7. Now we have question number 8. Arrange the following Chindak Nagvanshi rulers as per the increasing order of their reign. And the rulers that we have are Someshwar Dev, then we have Jai Singh Dev, we have Madhurantak Dev, and we have Kanhar Dev. So let me tell you, first among them was Madhurantak Dev, who was actually defeated and killed by Someshwar Dev, who became the next ruler. After Someshwar Dev, his son Kanhar Dev became the ruler, and it was only after a couple of more rulers that Jai Singh Dev became the ruler. So we have first Madhurantak Dev, then we have Someshwar Dev, then we have Kanhar Dev, and then we have Jai Singh Dev. If we talk about the sequence, we have 2, then 1, then 4, then 3. So the option mentioning 2, 1, 4, 3 is the option number B, and hence option B is going to be the correct option for this question number 8. Now in the question number 9, we have matched the columns, wherein we have to match the titles with the rulers. So the first title is actually Jagdev Bhushan, and this was taken up by the Chindak Nag ruler Dharavarsh. Next we have the title Dharma Kandarp. This was actually taken up by Mahabhavgupta by the Som dynasty of Odisha. Then we have Sakal Kosladhipati. This was actually taken up by Prithvi Dev I of the Kalchuri dynasty. And Raj Bhushan was taken up by Someshwar Dev II, once again of Chindak Nag dynasty. So when forming pairs, we have A1, B2, C3 and D4. So matching this with the options, in the option number C, we have A1, B2, C3 and D4, and hence option C is going to be the correct option for this question number 9. Now the final question of this video is, the Gheti Pawnee system was prevalent during the reign of which ruler? So let me tell you about this Gheti Pawnee system. This was actually a system of auction of widows and separated women of Sundi, Kalar, Panra and Dhobi caste, and it was actually prevalent during the rule of Rudra Pratap Dev of Kakatiya dynasty. So now we know that this Gheti Pawnee system was actually prevalent during the reign of Kakatiya ruler Rudra Pratap Dev. And Rudra Pratap Dev is mentioned in the option number A, and hence option number A is going to be the correct option for this question number 10. So in this manner, we have completed some 10 most conceptual and important questions from this medieval history of Chhattisgarh. And I'll be back with the modern history of Chhattisgarh, and I hope you people would have liked my video, and I shall meet you guys in my coming videos. Tab tak ke liye thank you and take care.
CGPSC की संपूर्ण तैयारी के लिए कंपटीशन कम्युनिटी के YouTube चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और डेली अपडेट्स के लिए बेल आइकन को प्रेस करना ना भूलें।